Budget 2026 just legalized a massive tax hack. And if you earn up to 12.7 lakhs, 75 lakhs, you can now pay zero tax. But only if you make these three moves, and let's decode the hidden math. Now, hack number one, the corporate NPS loophole. Now, first, you go and run to your HR today because the government just bumped the employer NPS contribution deduction to 14% for everyone. Now, most companies are still at 10%, but by moving that extra 4% of your basic salary into NPS, you can lower your taxable income directly. Now, it's a free money for your retirement and an instant tax saving hack today. Now, hack number two, the passport hack. So, if you are planning to study in the US or a family trip to the Europe, don't book it yet. The TCS, meaning the tax collected at source on foreign travel and education, just crashed from 20% to a flat 2%. And this doesn't just save you tax, it saves your cash flow. You can keep 18% or more money in your bank account instead of waiting a year for a tax refund. Now, hack number three, the minor NPS and ITR extension. Now, third, start a minor NPS account. From April 1st, parents get an additional rupees 50,000 deduction for contributing to their kids' pension. Plus, if you made a mistake in your old tax return, you now have until 31st March to revise it with a tiny fee. No more heavy penalties. Now, Budget 2026 rewards the smart, not just the hardworking. If you want to be aware, follow to know more.